In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Binance customer support. Whether you're dealing with a technical issue, have queries about your transactions, or need assistance with your account, timely support is crucial. Binance offers a straightforward way to reach out for help, and I'll guide you through each step. To start, you'll need to open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you're in, go ahead and log into your account. It's important to ensure you're logged in, as this accesses your account details and enables efficient support. Having all your account information handy speeds up the process and helps the support team understand your needs better. Now take a look at the top corner of the app screen where you'll find your profile icon. Tap on it. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, select Settings, then navigate to Help and Support, and finally tap on the Help Center. This sequence of steps is designed to put you directly in touch with the resources you need, cutting through any potential confusion or delays. Once you're in the Help Center, scroll down until you see the option for Chat Support. Tap on it to expedite your inquiries. Binance's chat support is a great feature that allows you to describe your issue directly, using a chatbot as your first point of contact. The chatbot is programmed to guide you through various topics and provide solutions based on your input. This system is set up to help address the most common issues efficiently. However, there might be times when the chatbot can't fully address your concerns. If this happens, don't worry. On the chat screen, you'll notice an option labeled Unresolved. By tapping this, you will find the options Live Agent or Chat with Agent. Select either of these to connect with a live customer service representative. Engaging with a live agent directly gives you the chance to explain your issue more thoroughly and receive personalized support, which can be incredibly helpful in resolving more complex problems. But what if you prefer using a web browser instead of the mobile app? No problem. You can easily switch to your computer for support. Simply go to binance.com/support. From there, you can submit a request. This is particularly useful if your issue requires detailed descriptions, or involves uploading documents or screen captures that are easier to manage on a larger screen. The web support team is proficient and ready to handle your submissions effectively. Contacting Binance customer support doesn't have to be daunting. With these steps, you have everything you need to get the assistance you're looking for quickly and efficiently. Whether you're navigating through the app or using the website, rest assured that help is just a few taps or clicks away. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you manage your Binance account.